Hey everyone, this is Matt Donahue with your weekly market update for the weekend. The last couple of weeks, markets have been pushed around by one big thing, which is geopolitical risk. The escalation involving Iran triggered a sharp sell-off across equities, fixed income, and even traditional safe havens. Oil spiked, volatility picked up, and uncertainty dominated the headlines. And that's exactly when most people are tempted to act. But here's what actually happened. Markets bottomed out in late March and began to recover, even while headlines stayed negative. U.S. equities moved back into positive territory, and growth sectors, which had lagged so far this year, led the rebound. Investors who stayed disciplined participated in that recovery. That's the key lesson. The investors who did the best were the ones who stuck it out. At Mission Financial Planners, we talk about this all the time. Markets are forward-looking. They price in fear quickly. They recover before clarity reveals itself. If you wait for things to feel safe, you're usually too late. Well, that doesn't mean geopolitical risk doesn't matter, because it does. Oil prices are still elevated. Inflation is still a concern. And the Fed has a new chair, but is in a position where it has to be cautious. That's why different parts of the market have recovered at different speeds. None of that changes core principles of investing. You cannot build a strategy based on headlines. You build a strategy that can withstand the headlines. That means diversification. That means tax efficiency. That means having an income plan that does not rely on perfect timing, because volatility isn't the problem. It's how you react to the volatility that could be a problem. If the past few weeks made you question your strategy, that's a good thing, because that means you're paying attention. So let's just make sure your plan is built for this kind of environment. Schedule some time with me or with Ken or Jason, and let's walk through your portfolio together. Stay disciplined, stay invested, and stay focused on what actually drives long-term results, which is a good disciplined strategy. Thanks, everyone. Have a great week. We'll see you next week.